This here is the iPhone 17 Pro. Who makes it? Apple makes it. This company advertises a lot about your security and your privacy. Yet, in the year 2025, to turn off the location on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Air, you have to go into settings. And once you are in settings, you have to look for an option called privacy and security. Then you go into location services, and then you get the option of turning your location on or off. Now this here is my Google Pixel 10 Pro, and to turn off the location on this, all I have to do is add a quick setting tile, press that, and bam, I can turn the location on and off on my Google Pixel 10 Pro with just 2 clicks. And this has been the case with Android for years. Again, it boggles my mind that this is not the case with your iPhone 17s running iOS 26. Let us change that. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to open the App Store. Herein, you have to search for shortcut. And once you search for shortcut, you are going to get an app from Apple, which is Shortcuts. It should be installed on your iPhone 17 Pro by default. In case it is not, go ahead and install it. In my case, it is installed, so I'm going to select Open. Once you are in the Shortcuts app, all you have to do is tap on the plus sign on the top right. And once you do that, you have to tap on search actions, and herein you have to type in open space URLs. You're going to get the option of open URLs. Select this, then tap on URL, and now you have to type in what you see on your screen right now. I have it copied to my clipboard, so I'm going to select paste. Again, note there are no spaces in here. I am going to leave this path in the description of this video as well. Then we are going to close this. And now if you tap on the play option on the bottom right, here it is. It is taking me to location services. Now we're going to go back to the shortcuts app, tap on this down arrow and say rename. Right now by default it is named open URLs. We're going to give it the name location, and then tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Tap on the down arrow one more time and say choose icon. Herein search for the symbols, and we are going to search for location. As soon as you type in LOC, I like this option, and I'm going to tap on search and swipe this down. So now my icon has changed to an appropriate icon which I like. And then tap on the down arrow one more time, and if you want to add this to your home screen, all you have to do is add to home screen and select add over here, and bam, there it is. You can see that the option of location is now added to my home screen. And if I tap on this, here it is, location services. I can now enable location services, go back to my home screen, tap on this one more time, and then disable location services as well with just 2 clicks as opposed to 4 earlier. Another thing you can do is actually map this location on and off shortcut to the action button as well. So you will go into settings, from the settings main page, go into action button, and then all the way to the end, right before the accessibility option, you should have the option of shortcut. Here it is, choose a shortcut, and now your location shortcut which you just created to turn off location and turn it back on the fly should show up over here. And that is it. Now if I press and hold the action button, here it is taking me to the location services, and I can actually turn it on, press it one more time, and I can now turn off the location. And before you ask me, hey Manchi, is there a way to make it one click? Unfortunately, I do not know of any such way, but if you know of any such way to make it one click on your iPhone 17s running iOS 26, make sure to leave that pro tip for me in the comments on this video.